to create a wedding and bridal e-commerce website on Weebly. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started by clicking on the sign up button to create a new account. And if you already have an account, just go with login and type in your email or your username. Then click on next. To proceed, to type in your password. Just give it a few seconds to load. And after typing your password, you click on login. After logging in, the first step of creating your store is choosing a name for the store. So it doesn't matter what name you give it now, you can always change the name later. So after typing the name, click on continue. Then you have a question and you have 3 answers. Choose the answer that fits you. And then do the same with this other question. Then you proceed to choosing the category of the items that you will be selling. So my store is in the niche of wedding and bridal. So let's go with classes and events. And let's scroll down. And if you can't find your category in here, just go with other, then click on continue. And if you already have a store in the real world, you type in the address of that store. If not, just skip this step and then give them a few seconds to build your store. And here, as you can see, this is your dashboard, and here we have the edit site button, which takes us to the editing phase, and we have also the design now button, which does the same job as the edit site button. And here in your left we have 9 sections, and I'm going to go through each one of them and explain it for you. Starting with website, where you have the edit site button again, and you have the domains button where you can set up your domain or change the one that you already have. Then we have the items section, where you have the site items if you want to create new products or change the ones that you already have. Then you have the site's categories if you want to categorize the products that you created before. Then you have options, coupons, gift cards, customer reviews, and item preferences. And that's it for this section. Then we have the orders section, where you can check your orders, see the fulfilled one, the shipped one, the cancelled one, and so on. Then we have the fulfillment section, where you can set up your pickup settings or set up your shipping settings. Then we have the reports section, where you can check the site's traffic reports, site's activity reports, sources reports, online sales reports, site items reports, abandoned carts, coupons. And if you want to see the summary of all these reports, just click on summary. Then we have the marketing section, and in this section you can find every tool that is related to growing your audience or your clients, starting from email, automated ads, mailing lists, segments, setup, and again on top of that we have the summary if you want to see the summary of all these tools. Then we have communications section, where you have the email and text alerts, pop-ups, messenger, and abandoned carts. Then we have the settings section, where we have the general settings, where you can change the company name or set another company name, change the address, the phone number, the email, and so on. And here, as you can see, this is where you can change them: the company name, address, email, phone number. Then we have the checkout, where you can set your payment processors, like your Stripe account, like connecting your Stripe account or connecting your PayPal account, or changing the country and the currency of the store. Then you have the sales taxes, where you can set your taxes. And then we have units, where you can change the language or edit the units that you have. So that's it for these sections. Let's go back to the overview, and then let's proceed to the editing phase by clicking on the edit site button. and just give it a few seconds guys to load. So here you will need to be a little bit patient. It will take a little bit of time, but it's okay, it's not that much. And here as you can see it's loading, and here we have the setup guide if you want to go with it. If not, just ignore it, it will disappear right away. So as you can see it's still loading, and now they will show us the styles, which is the first step of designing our website, choosing one of these styles. And then let's wait for the store to be fully loaded, and then we will choose one of these styles and we will apply it for our site and check if it's good. Just give it a few more seconds, and here our website or our store is loaded. So let's choose one of these styles. I think I'm going to choose this one, and I'm going to check. I think it's not that good. Let's choose another style. Let's choose this one and see. So here I think this one is good. I will just need to change the fonts. So click on apply site styles, then you proceed to the site's design, where you can again change the style or add an image to be your logo, change the colors or change fonts, which I'm going to do. I will change it from this one to Comforta. Scroll down, Comforta, and this one, yeah. Then I will make this one 18 pixels, and this one 130. It's too small. Let's leave it at 140. That's it, and that's it for these fonts. Click on done. Then I'm going to change the shapes of the buttons from pill to rounded and from sharp to rounded. Then click on done and click on done. Then if you want to search for a domain, you can do that in here. If not, just close this one. And here if you want to change these sections, you can do that by just clicking on them, or if you want to add a new one. So that's it guys for today's video. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel and share the video with your friends.